Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video as a vegan quarantined. So let's go make some breakfast. So now I'm going to chop up the tofu a little bit more to make it more of a scrambled egg texture, and I'm adding in salt, pepper, and these two seasonings. Okay, so I ate my breakfast, and I just wanted to say, if you're bored, you can go and look at my last video. It will also be linked down below this video, and I give you 10 ideas of things to do while you are in quarantine, and I promise they're not just like go watch Netflix or anything like that. At least in my opinion, I think they're pretty good ideas, and I would do all of them. So yeah, if you are bored, you should go watch that video. So I'm gonna eat a plum for a snack, and then I'm gonna go on a walk, and then I'm gonna make some lunch. For lunch, I'm having a salad with carrots, cabbage, and kale in it. And then this doesn't really taste like anything. I'm just putting it in to get my iodine. And then I'm going to dip my dumplings into coconut aminos. Now I'm gonna have a snickerdoodle cookie I made yesterday. Now I'm having some kombucha, and it's cherry lime flavored, and I get it from a local kombucha store. And now for dinner, I'm spiralizing some zucchini. And the recipe for dinner will be in the description below. And along with the zucchini dish, I'm going to have some couscous and mushrooms. Okay, so I forgot to film the outro yesterday. But yeah, the dinner was really good, and I will link the recipe down below. So I hope you all enjoyed, and please like and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in another video. Bye.